Guys, it's me Islam Madani from Islam Khalifa channel on YouTube. We are a technical team at 44system.blogspot.com. Today I'm going to talk about how to update and upgrade your Ubuntu system. Actually, this is the main problem for anyone just trying to update or upgrade his system for the first time, and he just doing sudo apt-get upgrade or sudo apt-get update, and he's facing many problems. I'm here to talk about what's the problem and why this problem gonna happen. This problem gonna happen because repositories are not compatible with your Ubuntu system. What does that mean? That means for every version of Ubuntu that have the perfect repositories, and we will see that on repogen.com. .ch. This is a website, repogen.simplylinux.ch. for generating repositories and the perfect repositories for your Ubuntu version. Now we will select country, Egypt, and we will select release. This is what I talked about. Trusted 40.04, that is the Ubuntu version, and supported till what? This is supported for limit time, and in my choice I will choose 16.04. This is a branch, so Ubuntu branch. I will check all this. Okay, this is Ubuntu branches, and this is Ubuntu updates. Basically we need this. Okay, backboards and Ubuntu partner repositories. We'll find this here and we'll check on it, and we will go down to this page and just generate list. This will open this tab, and just we have this repositories. This repository is external for 16.04 version of Ubuntu, and we'll just copy this, Control C, and we're going to sudo gedit apt sources.list. That is the path of our repositories. Okay, this is password, and we'll remove the repositories and we will add the new repositories for our version, and we'll just save and close. Now we can do sudo apt-get update, and that is well. After that, after update, we can do upgrade, and we can even install anything you want, like GUFW. This is a graphical user firewall. For that what I talked about, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.